Hi guys, Bank Nifty is looking positive. So if at all positive, what we can do is like we can either sell put or we can buy call. But going naked is not advisable. So what we will do is like we will take a strategy. This strategy is called bull call spread. So in bull call spread, what we will do is like we will buy a call and we'll protect it with the higher strike price thing. Let's see how we approach this in chart and how things are. So basically first what we do is like this is in a very good support, and this candle is a doji, and mostly I think there is a high chance of trend reversal from it. So let's see if things work out. Our position of Bank Nifty will be very good in this. So to do Bank Nifty, what we do is like the current strike price is 34,793, and I am expecting it to go till 35,500. Please don't take this as a advisory or trade. This is just for learning purpose. I can completely be wrong, and I have been wrong a lot of time. So what we do is we are just planning a trade and taking this as just as a learning. So the first step is 35,000 we would buy, and to protect it we will sell it from 35,500 for the coming expiry. So how we will do is, again we will just go to strategy builder in this. We'll go to Bank Nifty, then we will see options. There are other strategies also, but yeah, we will learn one by one. 35,000 we would be buying. So when we see we buy 35,000, the max loss is 4,000, but the profit potential is way too like unlimited. But there are high chance like we would be in loss, and naked is always not advisable. And also we have theta's effect and other effects also. So what we will do is like we will to protect this, protect losing money, we will sell this. We will sell 35,500. We get a 58 rupees premium. That's like we have reduced a bit of loss, and we have even gained it. To maybe what we can do is like we can reduce 35,200. Since the previous setup was not really very favorable, what we thought is like we will reduce the strike a little. So when we reduce the strike a little, that's like when we sell 35,200 instead of 35,500. Let's see the premium. In the meanwhile, I guess I had tried taking this, but what we'll do is like we will try to change this as like what I have done is like I have added this leg, and 35,200 would be the other leg which we will be selling. Both are call. The protection is always for call, it is always call. So if we see it's like 19,000, and if we see the profit potential, we can see that yeah, even this is loaded. That's like now we have reduced the loss to 1,700, and the profit is 3,750, and the break evens are 35,071. As and when the price comes to 31,071, from then we would be always in positive, and the maximum profit we can get is 3,248, and the max loss we can get is 1,748. So let's see this in chart. So in chart, this is looking like this. So if you guys are interested, learn it. Please don't take this trade. It can go completely against. So this is just a learning trade.